Let's now talk about the glandular epithelial tissue. As the name suggests, some of the columnar or cuboidal cells which are getting specialized for secretion are called as glandular epithelium. So glandular epithelium indicates columnar or cuboidal cells. Why? Because the columnar or cuboidal cells have got considerably good protoplasmic volume, so they can release some substances. Unlike the squamous epithelium that we talked about, that has very thin cells, so because of reduced protoplasmic volume, they don't have significant secretions coming out of them. Whereas in case of columnar or cuboidal epithelial cells, for having large protoplasmic volume, secretion is easier and also observed. So the glandular epithelium is broadly of two types. It can be unicellular, consisting of isolated glandular cells, such as the goblet cells of alimentary canal. I told you they release mucus. Or the glandular epithelium can be multicellular, which are consisting of cluster of cells just like the salivary gland. So let's understand this question. Name the type of tissue that forms gland. We have just discussed about the concept, and I think you have come up with the right answer. Let's know. Yes, the answer is cuboidal epithelial tissue. This is because working as a gland involves large protoplasmic volume. If the protoplasmic volume is not good enough, definitely secretions cannot be formed and released.